folks, welcome to my shower. Big T's shower in Big T's green room. Alright, first of all I want to explain, we haven't cleaned this in a while because I want to show you, I want it to be bad. We don't want to let it get this bad, so if it's not bad, you can't see what I'm doing. But if you'll notice in here, these soap scum and mineral deposits from the water. So, and a lot of people have a hard time getting this off. So if you're like us, I'm sure you'll keep vinegar in your bathroom and Dawn, like we do, and you need a little thing here, and a little thing, and a little bucket here. So let me show you what to do. I'm just going to show you just a little bit here, okay? Then when we're done, then I'll do the whole thing myself. Put you a little bit of vinegar in there, okay? That vinegar is a mild acid. And then just put you a little bit of Dawn in there. You don't need a whole lot. A little dab will do you. Now you see how ugly it is. Okay. Kind of mix that up a little bit like that right there. Now, let's do this right here. Just apply this right here. Okay, just let it sit for a minute. I'm just going to do a little area there. Y'all are in a shower with Big T. Now, we're going to use a little green abrasive pad here. So let's see what we got here. And you just want to do this right there, right there. Let's see.
Do it down a little bit.
Huh?
Do it down a little bit.
Down here?
Just a little bit.
Now this is something the guys can do too, not just the women. The guys should do it. It's not, and you can imagine how easy it'd be if we did this, more frequently. But for my experiment, I just want to show you that. Let's see what we got right there. So let me rinse that off real quick. God, Carrie. Make sure this is switched to the normal side there. Ooh. That's cold. All right. Oh, I am the Frito Bandito. Okay, folks. Feels weird having that with me in the shower. But I don't know if you can tell, but can you tell? Just by a little bit right there?
Mm-hmm.
Can you?
I think so.
Well, I was I just want to show you how fast it is. It's not hard at all. But
Scoot over that way.
Yeah.
Because when your shorts are behind it, you can tell the difference a lot on the.
Yeah. Get down here. So here's what I do. Typically, when you come in, you just want to just put it on there real quick and just let it sit for a minute. Put that on there. Also put it on your chrome here, and just go do something else for a few minutes and let that sit and heat up. And the longer it sits, the easier it is, and the less you have to scrub. So anyway, and then I know that typically I let this sit. Remember to do this. Typically you would let this sit a little longer, but if you do that once a week or so, it's a piece of freaking cake. You just keep up with it. So
yeah, that's good.
So it always looks good when it's wet, but I think you can tell the difference. So wipe that off right there. And then the only thing is, when you get through the bathroom, it'll smell like you've been eating a salad because it's vinegar. But anyway, guys, it's something you can do to help your wives, and it's really easy. So okay, back to the show. I got some cleaning to do, and gotta wipe my face off. What?
Vinegar water.
What are you talking about?
You wipe your head off.
Oh, I don't care. I got sweat there. Okay, back to the show.